Hello and welcome to the 28th match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between Melrose Primary from St. Andrew up against Portmore Gospel Assembly from Portmore St. Catherine. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. And we had the coin toss earlier, and Melrose 1 decided to have Portmore Gospel Assembly go first. In this section, we'll ask the teams questions alternately. They'll have 10 seconds in which to answer, and they will earn 1 point for each correct answer. So let's begin with Bible knowledge. PGA, which book of the Bible immediately follows Joel?
Amos.
Correct. Melrose, which book of the Bible comes immediately before Nahum?
Habakkuk.
Incorrect, it's Micah. Science, PGA, which part of the flower produces pollen?
Anther.
Incorrect, it's the stamen. Melrose, which part of the flower is the stalk that holds the anther?
Style.
Incorrect, it's the filament. We move on to Jamaican affairs. It's a visual. PGA, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Robert Montague.
Incorrect, it's Cliff Hughes, journalist. And Melrose, look at the monitor as well and identify this person.
Deon Jackson Miller.
That's correct. English language, PGA. What is the meaning of the root word semi or semi as used in semi-annual?
Half.
Correct. Melrose, what is the meaning of the root word omni as used in omnipotent?
All.
Correct. PGA, television for you, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Demi Lovato.
That's correct. Melrose, look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Taylor Swift.
Incorrect, that's Selena Gomez. General knowledge, PGA, what is the capital of Barbados?
Bridgetown.
Correct. Melrose, what is the capital of Trinidad and Tobago?
Port of Spain.
Correct. Social studies, PGA, true or false? Water is a renewable source.
False.
It's true. Melrose, true or false for you? Solar energy is a non-renewable resource.
False.
Correct. Music, PGA, what is used as the primary vibrating medium to produce sound in a wind instrument?
Air.
Correct. Melrose, what is the name given to the family of musical instruments that produces sound by the vibration of stretched fibers?
Orchestra.
Incorrect, it's stringed instruments. Mathematics for PGA, what number, when added to 109, is equal to 163?
46.
Incorrect, it's 54. Melrose, what number, when added to 170, is equal to 263?
93.
Correct. Sports, PGA, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this cricketer.
Cornwallis.
Incorrect, it's Darren Bravo. Melrose, look at the monitor as well and identify this cricketer.
Chris Gale.
That's correct. Jamaican affairs, PGA, who is the chairman of Jamaica Promotions, JAMPRO?
William Smith.
Incorrect, it's Don Webby. And for Melrose, who is the chairman of the Sandals Hotel Group?
Michael Smith.
Incorrect, it's Gordon Butch Stewart. And that's the bell, signaling the end of section 1. And we have, as the scores, Portmore Gospel Assembly on 5 and Melrose on 6. So we go for a break, but please first listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. It is useful to discuss assignments and homework with others before you complete them. Sometimes these discussions help to make things clearer. When we return, it's time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Please stay with us.